Your website needs to be mobile friendly. Hi, I'm Brian from Network Solutions. I'm going to show you how to check to see if your website is responsive and optimized for mobile devices. Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to make your website mobile friendly and responsive using Network Solutions AI Website Builder. So what you're looking at here is the website builder editor screen. So this is what you'll see once you build your website, once we use AI to generate it for you, and then you log into Network Solutions to go in and edit your website. From here, this is really your control panel for designing your website, adding new content, changing text, adding and modifying images, changing your colors, really everything that you need to design and build and publish a website. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at how to make your website mobile responsive and mobile friendly. So when you are in your Network Solutions AI Website Builder editor, the easiest way to see what your website is going to look like for your mobile visitors is by clicking this phone icon up here in the top navigation bar. By doing that, you're able to look at what this website will look like for those visitors who come using a mobile device. And what's really exciting about how this editor works is that we actually save off a different version of your mobile website than what your desktop users actually see or your desktop visitors see. So if you want things to be a little bit different, you think things might look a little bit better if the images are different sizes or things are in different orders, you're able to actually save that off separately as part of this mobile view. Because naturally, it's a different format. There's a different width of the screen. People are going to want to see and expect to see different things within a mobile view. So just for a quick walkthrough, as you can see here, what we've done is we've basically taken the website and reordered it to keep all of the same content items, all the same images, the same text and everything, but stacked it in a way that's going to be significantly more mobile friendly. So it's all the same stuff, just formatted a little bit differently that is more optimized for a mobile view. That said, maybe you want to change some things. Okay, maybe you think this is going to be too tall of an image, for you to use for mobile. It's going to take up too much of the space that somebody sees when they first come to your website. So one, maybe you want this elevate your yoga to be at the top of your page. So you can take it, you can drag it to the top. That's actually behind the image right now, but I can bring that image down, and then you can have elevate your yoga right up at the top. Again, if you want this image to be a little bit smaller, you can then change the size of that image, which will then shrink it, and then move things up and down in order to make it really feel like it's the right size and shape for the mobile experience that you want. Similarly, because this has a lot of white space, it looks great on a desktop device, not so much on a mobile device. Being able to pull that up there and move things around, so it really makes it look great on a mobile experience. What's interesting is if you go back now to the desktop experience, it's still exactly the same as it was before. You can really have, specific experiences for a desktop visitor versus a mobile visitor to make sure that you're serving up the right content in the right format for that visitor. So hopefully this answers your questions when it comes to whether or not the Network Solutions AI Website Builder can help you build mobile-friendly and responsive sites. Obviously, the answer is yes. And we're really hoping that it will give you the ability to create a great experience for not only the folks that are visiting your website from a laptop or desktop computer, but more and more traffic that we're seeing coming to our websites is coming from mobile devices. So really helping you, fine tune and refine what your experience is for those folks, and hopefully giving you a really good starting point to be able to do that. So hopefully that answered your questions when it comes to checking your website to see if it's mobile friendly. If you had any questions at all, leave them below as a comment or reach out to us directly.